Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. First, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button below the video. And let's start talking about how to invest in ChatGPT and OpenAI. But first, we need to talk about understanding ChatGPT as an investment. Before diving into specifics of how to invest in ChatGPT, it's important to understand what ChatGPT is and why it's potentially a lucrative investment opportunity. ChatGPT is an AI-based platform that uses deep learning algorithm to generate human-like response to text-based input. Essentially, ChatGPT can converse with humans in a way that closely mimics real conversation. Investing in ChatGPT is attractive for a number of reasons. First, AI-based platforms like ChatGPT have enormous potential to disrupt traditional industries and generate significant revenues. As AI technology continues to improve, companies like AI invest in these platforms could see substantial return. Additionally, ChatGPT has already generated significant interest for investors and the tech community, indicating that the platform has significant growth potential. So, why to invest in ChatGPT? Investing in ChatGPT can be a smart move for several reasons. Number one, high growth potential. AI technology is still in its early stages, and ChatGPT is at the forefront of this emerging field. As more business adopt AI technology, the demand for ChatGPT is likely to increase, driving up its value in the market. Number two, scalability. ChatGPT can be easily integrated into existing business processes, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. Number three, competitive advantages. By implementing ChatGPT, businesses can gain a competitive edge by providing faster and more efficient customer service. So, what next to talk about is understanding the ChatGPT value chain. The ChatGPT value chain is a complex ecosystem that includes data science, machine learning experts, and software engineers who work to improve the technology's capabilities. Additionally, hardware and software providers supply computer power, infrastructure, and cloud computing solutions. Application developers and integrators use ChatGPT to develop new products and services, while investors provide capital to OpenAI and other companies involved in developing and deploying the technology. So, what's the steps to invest in ChatGPT stocks? If you are interested in investing in ChatGPT stocks, here are the steps you need to follow. First, conduct research. Before investing, research ChatGPT and the companies that use the technology. Analyze the potential risks and rewards of investing in ChatGPT stocks. Number two, choose a broker. Consider using a reputable online broker such as Public, which provides access to the stock market where ChatGPT stocks are listed. When choosing a broker, take into account factors such as trading fees, platform feature, and customer support. Number three, open a brokerage account. Once you have selected a broker, open an account with them. You will typically need to provide personal information and the funding for your account. Number four, place an order. With your account funded, place an order to buy ChatGPT stocks. You can do this through your broker's trading platform or by contacting their customer service. Fifth, or number five, monitor your investment. Keep an eye on your investment to stay informed about any significant change in ChatGPT's performance or the broader market. Make adjustments as necessary to maximize your investment potential return. So, how to invest in ChatGPT? As we talked before about how to invest in ChatGPT, now stocks to consider for indirect exposure to AI chatbot technology. While there are some obvious choices when it comes to AI chatbot technology stocks, such as companies directly involved in generative AI technology. There are also other stocks that are likely to benefit from advances in that sector. Let's take a look at some of the top stock to watch out for. Number one, semiconductor like Nvidia and Intel, network equipment provider like Cisco and Juniper Network, cloud provider like Amazon Web Services. Other stock to watch out for, and this is the end of text. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and study very hard and very efficient before investing in any stock in your near future. So see you later. Bye.